Hello, hi. I am Dr. Sawan Didi, JET Arts Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon District, Nasik. Today's topic that is a safety fire. As a, what is a fire? Fire is the rapid oxidation of a material in the exothermic chemical processes of burning, releasing heat, light, and various reaction products. As a fire is a very good servant but a very bad master. As long as fire is under our control, it serves a lot of useful purposes for us. But once it goes out of our control, it can create a lot of distractions. However, despite the presence of fire safety measures, the occurrence of accidents is oftentimes inevitable. It is this combination as a good servant and bad master which is dangerous because of the useful purposes that it serves. People keep sources of fire in and around their houses and workplaces, and these sources could sometimes result in undesired fire. Had fire been something which serves no useful purpose, the number of incidents of fire would have been very less as people won't keep sources of fire around them. Thus, the occurrence of fire related accidents is oftentimes inevitable in spite of all the safety precautions. For this reason, an insurance policy should always be taken. So, the top fires causes includes the cooking, which is a 49%, open flame 10%, heating cause 9%, incendiary arson it causes 8%, and smoking it causes a 4%. So the leading causes of fire fatalities. So personal vigilance is the best way to avoid and survive fires. So the most common causes of fires are, as a first cause we will see, that is electrical, as incidents of fire mainly caused due to overloading, short circuit, etc. As people start staying in a new apartment or a new office, they start making modifications to the wall sockets outlets in order to be able to plug in additional apparatus, etc. Then there reaches a time when the total amount of current drawn from all the sockets together could exceed the rated capacity of the internal wiring. A simple solution to this is not to make too many changes to the electrical circuitry inside your apartment, yeah, at workplace. And any alterations, etc., if done, should keep in mind the capacity of the wire used. So, as time progresses, due to various minor repairs, etc., wires might be changed, jumbled up, etc., or the insulation among wires might break down. This might cause some wires to come in contact with each other and thus create a short circuit. And this short circuit can cause a very high current flow through the wires and thus causing fires. A simple solution to this is periodic inspection of the conditions of the wiring and taking preventive actions whenever needed. and install MCBs, means a miniature circuit breakers, so that any short circuit would result in immediate disconnection to the current flow. As people feel the safety in their homes, however, residential properties are where most fires and fire days occurs. And here, 76% of the structure fires occurred in residential properties, and 97% of the structural fire deaths occurred in residential properties. So, as the planetary area, incidents involving cooking gas, cooking oil, etc., leakages of cooking gas, accompanied by a spark around the leakage, could cause fire. These are typically very dangerous. Sources of sparks could be anything, and a burning item, turning on of electrical gadgets, switches, etc. The leak itself can be in the gas cylinder itself, the pipeline carrying the gas, the regulator joints, etc. Some simple precautions to be taken for this include: so pay attention to what you are cooking. If you leave the room, turn off the stove. Yeah, don't cook if you are sleepy or if you are impaired. So regular inspection of gas pipes and timely replacement should be done. No pass, etc., in case there is any trace of LPG smell. LPG itself does not have any odor. A trace odor is put in the LPG only so that any leakage might be detected. Just like electrical points, turn off gases at multiple points when not in use rather than just at the point of usage. While cooking, sometimes the cooking medium could get overheated, resulting in fire. These are more frequent, but fortunately, relatively easy to manage. A simple precaution to be taken for this is never let cooking oil, etc., unattended when it's being heated, nor do keep bottles of oil, etc., in contact with very hot object like hot utensils, etc. Nearly half of all homes fires originate in the kitchens. As to reduce your chance of a cooking fire, keep flammable items away from heat sources as curtains, pot holders, towels, clothing, etc. Clean your stove top frequently to avoid gases or grease build up. Keep flammable cleaners away from heat sources. So, for this indication of fire extinguisher, it should be fixed in the houses, yeah, wherever the such fire hazardous are seen, yeah, which are occurring. As smoking, smoking in around combustible material could cause fire due to hot ashes falling from the cigarette. Some simple precautions to be taken include: don't smoke in and around bed, sofa, etc. When you throw away the cigarette, etc., always stub it out. Always try to dispose of the cigarette ash at proper places. What effects are seen due to fire disaster? The effects of fire disasters are as follows. First one, that is a emotional impact. Fire is a very common unpredictable disaster that can result in the loss of human lives as well as in the physical destructions of homes, businesses, neighborhoods, livestock, and wildlife. In addition, fire may cause serious emotional distress to children and families. Second effect, that is environmental effect. Fires will often break out during a dry season, but in some areas, wildfires may also commonly occur during a time of year when lightning is prevalent. The frequency over a span of years at which fire will occur at a particular location is a measure of how common wildfires are in a given ecosystem. It is either defined as the average interval between fires at a given site or the average interval between fires in an equivalent specified area. So other effects which are seen, those are A, damages to the area, damages to animals, damages to the vegetation, yeah, agriculture, for example soil, grass, wheat, corn, and etc. Again, the effect which is seen, that is a damages to plants and trees. So there is necessary to take prevention for to reduce the fire, and hence there is a greater awareness ever before. At the urgent, it should be necessary. So thank you.